In this video, we'll get the car ready to start and fire up the engine for the first time. Start by connecting the ground cable. A slip-on fit is okay for the first start. Turn the key to the run position, but don't crank the engine yet. Check for power at the gauges. Push the accelerator pedal and listen for the throttle to respond. Pour about 2 gallons of fuel into the tank. Prime the fuel system by cycling the key as shown. The sound will change from a whine to a whir when it picks up fuel. Follow the on-screen instructions before starting the engine for the first time. Moment of truth. Start it up. Remember on manual cars that you'll need to push in the clutch. If you have any issues, look in the description of this video for the link to our troubleshooting guide. While the engine is running, keep an eye on the items listed on screen.